Hey tech enthusiasts! If you're looking for a deep dive into the Samsung Galaxy A55, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest tech reviews. Let's get started. First off, let's talk design. The Galaxy A55 sports a sleek minimalist look with a glossy finish that feels premium to the touch. It's lightweight and fits comfortably in your hand, making it perfect for everyday use. The phone comes in several colors, so there's definitely something for everyone. Now let's move on to the display. The A55 features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is top-notch. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or gaming, the display won't disappoint. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset paired with 6GB to 12GB of RAM. This means smooth multitasking and decent performance for most day-to-day tasks. It's not a flagship processor, but it gets the job done, especially for a mid-range device. Battery life is another strong suit of this phone. With its 5000 mAh battery, you can easily get through a full day with moderate use. And if you're a power user, the fast charging support will have you back in action in no time. Let's not forget the cameras. The Galaxy A55 has a quad camera setup on the back featuring a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP macro depth sensor. The main camera produces sharp and detailed photos, while the ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing landscapes or group shots. The macro and depth sensors are fun to experiment with, although they are not the stars of the show. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that delivers crisp and vibrant selfies. In the software department, the Galaxy A55 runs on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. It's clean, intuitive, and packed with useful features. Samsung software has come a long way, and it really shows here. Regular updates are a plus, keeping your device secure and up to date. Finally, pricing. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is competitively priced in the mid-range segment. It offers a lot of bang for your buck, balancing performance, design, and features without breaking the bank. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and feature-packed smartphone that doesn't empty your wallet, then absolutely. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting a bit more without paying premium prices. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to K-Tech for more honest reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.